In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce no-show rate. Calendly workflow tutorial. 5 minutes. If missed meetings are costing you time and momentum, Calendly workflows can do a lot of heavy lifting. We'll walk through setting up automated reminders and confirmations so more people actually show up. Start by logging into your Calendly account. Once you're in, look for the workflows option in the main menu. This is where you'll create automated messages tied to your events. Keep in mind that workflows are available on paid plans, so if you don't see the option, you may need to upgrade to unlock it. Click Create Workflow. You can choose a template or build one from scratch. Templates are the fastest way to go because they come pre-configured with sensible defaults you can customize. For reducing no-shows, two of the most effective templates are Reminder Email to Invitee and Text Invitee to Reconfirm. The email reminder is great for detailed information like agenda, links, or files, while the reconfirmation text is perfect for a quick nudge that prompts a yes or no. If you plan to send texts, make sure your booking form collects phone numbers and that recipients expect SMS from you. Next, choose the event type this workflow will apply to. You can target a single event, a group of events, or all events. If your meeting types have different needs, say initial consultations versus follow-ups, apply separate workflows so each message feels relevant. Now configure the timing and the action. Decide when the reminder should send, such as 24 hours before, the morning of, or 1 to 2 hours prior to the start time. Staggering reminders often works best. An email earlier, a text closer to go time. Double-check the time zone handling so invitees get messages at the right local time. Customize the message to match your brand voice. Use dynamic fields like the invitee's name, event date and time, and the meeting location or link to keep messages accurate and personal. Include a clear call to action, confirm attendance, or use the reschedule and cancel links if plans change. A friendly line about what to prepare and how to join can reduce last-minute confusion. When you're happy with the setup, activate the workflow. Before you flip it on for everyone, it's smart to preview and send a test to yourself to verify links, timing, and formatting. After activation, monitor the first few bookings and tweak the timing or wording if needed. That's it. With a couple of thoughtful workflows, you'll create consistent touchpoints that reduce no-shows and keep your calendar running smoothly.